everyone, this is Mike with 4x4shop.ca, and in today's video I want to show you guys an example of a unit where the seller is faking the Android version just to say that they have the latest version of Android running on their system. So for example, in this scenario here, as you can see, this is the Android version. If you go to About Tablet, we see here that it's 7.1. okay, no one's ever gonna think otherwise until you actually go into a special program called Ada, as you can see here, Ada 64, and this program right here cannot be faked. So it's literally going to read exactly what the system settings are, the CPU, the storage, and the RAM as well. So for example, here you can check exactly what it's running and not what is advertised. So here you'll see, for example, the internal storage, RAM, and everything like that. And if you go here, which is the most important thing, if you are buying this unit, Android. So if you click Android, you can see here that it's actually running 4.42 with a fake overlay of a 7.1 or 8.1, whatever they advertise. So for the future, whenever you're buying, please be very careful what you're buying and where you're buying, because you can be misled just like this. And if you're looking to run Amazon Music, for example, which runs only on the latest 8.1, it will not run. So until next time, please be careful where you buy. Take care, guys. Bye.